Want to print detailed miniature models with great surface quality? Look no further than the HeyGears UltraCraft Reflex RS and UltraPrint PAS10 resin. In just a few clicks, you can get your model sliced and transferred to the printer. Refill the PAS10 resin and just start printing. When printing with the Reflex RS, PAS10 resin possesses exceptional printability. Let's take a look at the print results. The Reflex RS combined with PAS10 can print complex and intricate structures with ease. Printing with PAS10, even when scaled down to a height of 3 centimeters, the model maintains excellent detail and sharpness. Besides the clear details, the surface quality of PAS10 is impressive. Even the smooth parts of the model exhibit no visible layer lines to the naked eye. Under the microscope, the surface of the model reveals uniform layer thickness. This is due to the RS's rigorously calibrated Z-axis, which ensures a positioning accuracy of within 2 micrometers, effectively minimizing visible layer lines. PAS10 excels in printing small-angle overhang structures. Some model overhangs can be printed with angles as small as 10 degrees without supports. At 25 degrees, prints have great surface quality without visible layer lines. This means you can print with fewer supports by selecting a smaller overhang angle in the Blueprint Studio Auto Support options. Using Reflex RS with PAS10 reduces the need for support structures at overhang angles more than 10 degrees, reducing the number of supports needed overall. Models can maintain excellent surface quality with fewer supports. With its adaptive Z-compensation algorithm, the RS addresses the issue of deformation of support surfaces. Using RS with PAS10 resins, the model can maintain excellent detail sharpness even on the support surfaces. Supports can be cleanly removed from the model surface, maintaining a smooth surface finish which reduces post-processing time. Tabletop miniatures printed with PAS10 resin offer good surface quality and impressive performance, meeting everyday tabletop gaming needs. The PAS10 resin has good impact strength, making the tabletop miniatures more durable against drops. When dropped from a height of 1.2 meters, the models show no visible damage. Also, with good strength and fracture toughness, thin parts are less likely to break when removing supports and with general handling. Bring better details, awesome surfaces, longer life to your miniatures. Use UltraCraft Reflex RS and PAS10.